Opportunity of a lifetime. These 6 stocks could print millions soon, not hype. Real scale, cash flows, and AI infrastructure shaping the next decade. I'll break down why each one matters, the key stat to watch, and how they fit as a portfolio. Reminder, this is education, not financial advice. Always do your own research. If this helps, like the video, share it with a friend who invests. Comment your top pick below, I read them all, and subscribe for deep dive photoreal investing breakdowns every week. Let's start with the AI engine everyone underestimates. Then we'll cover infrastructure, picks and shovels, a diversified megacap, a speculative quantum bet, and a defensive compounder. When you say compute for modern AI, most roads lead to Nvidia. They dominate training and inference, with sticky CUDA software and tools. Key stat, data center revenue exploded from a few to tens of billions in just years. High margins fund R&D, which fuels better chips which attract more customers. Growth lanes, edge inference, recommendation systems, automotive, and robotics. Competition is fierce, but platforms tend to consolidate. Winner takes most dynamics help GPUs. Risks, frothy valuation and lumpy cycles. Treat it as a core if you accept volatility and size it intentionally. Multi-year story. Consider dollar cost averaging. Watch hyperscaler capex, data center revenue, margins, and developer adoption. Think of Nvidia as the engine. Pair it with the transmission and cooling that make AI go. That brings us to the muscle that moves data. Broadcom. Broadcom is the quiet muscle behind networks, storage, and switching, plus software like VMware adds sticky high-margin cash flows. Hyperscalers need both accelerators and robust networking at scale. They supply switches, adapters, and storage controllers, mission-critical, replaced infrequently. Cash generation funds smart M&A, R&D, and buybacks. Risks, integrating software, regs, and cyclical enterprise spend. It stabilizes an AI-heavy portfolio while monetizing the same build-out. If Nvidia is the engine and Broadcom the transmission, who sells the cooling and power? Vertiv. Vertiv sells power distribution, thermal management, and rack infrastructure that keeps data centers alive. When hyperscalers build, Vertiv sells, you can't virtualize cooling and power. Backlog and share gains translate into durable revenue. Aftermarket service and parts smooth volatility and support margins. Modernization and higher density retrofits add recurring opportunity. Risks, hyperscaler capex cycles and hardware price pressure. Treat Vertiv as a mid-sized infrastructure growth sleeve. Now, a diversified megacap with scale, ads, cloud, and moonshots. Alphabet. Alphabet is diversification inside one ticker. Search and YouTube monetize today, at massive scale. AI and Google Cloud add long-term optionality and enterprise monetization. Moonshots like Waymo and quantum research are funded by robust ad cash flow. A fortress balance sheet supports buybacks, capex, and experiments. Risks, regulation, ad cyclicality, and cloud competition. Practical take, growth plus stability for long-term compounding. Next, the speculative ticket with asymmetric upside, IonQ. IonQ is a pure-play quantum company, and yes, it's speculative. Key advantage, distribution via major clouds, real users, early revenue. If error correction and scale arrive, chemistry and optimization unlock huge markets. Expect volatility, dilution risk, and binary outcomes. Own as a small, high-upside sleeve you can leave alone for years. Do the homework, read white papers and understand trapped ion trade-offs. Now, the defensive compounder with cash and patience, Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire is defense inside a growth-tilted portfolio. It holds huge cash and insurance float to strike in downturns. When markets panic, quality trades at discounts. That's Berkshire's moment. It compounds through steady operations and smart capital allocation. It smooths drawdowns and helps you sleep at night. Risks, lagging in hypergrowth phases and succession overhang. Position it as your defensive allocation. Let's put the whole portfolio together. Engine, muscle, picks and shovels, diversification, a moonshot, and a stabilizer. 6 names, 6 roles. Growth engine, infrastructure, operations, diversified scale, speculative quantum, and defense. Size positions to your risk. Bigger core in Nvidia, Alphabet, medium Vertiv, Broadcom, small Berkshire defense, tiny IonQ. Think in years, not weeks. Use DCA if timing worries you. Markets swing, your edge is patience, process, and sizing. Question of the day, what's your top stock right now and why? Like, share, and drop your thesis in the comments. Subscribe for photoreal deep dives every week. This video is educational, not financial advice. Investing involves risk. Do your own research. Chapters are pinned. See the next video for portfolio sizing and DCA tactics that win long term.